So right now we're gonna learn how to do pixel art top down in a very simple way. Let's take 4 color. We can just take 2 or 4, 3, whatever you want. So from dark to light, and we're gonna learn how to make anything in top down, just to understand the concept of how we can do it. So as you see right now, this is just 2D, just like straight flat 2D. Okay, it doesn't look like there is depth or anything on it. Why? Because everything is in the same level or the same size. Everything is in the same size, let's say that. Okay, now we're gonna try to change it and do it in top down. Okay, so in top down we always focus on the head or the top of the design, like head, shoulders, hair. We give it like a really more space, more details, more highlight. This is very important. And the dark area or the lower of the body is smaller, or he gets less attention and less, you can even give it less details, because we want to focus only on the top, or the top is gonna be like the main focus of the design. Okay, so that's very important to know. So yeah, that's like the basics of how you can do anything on top down style. As you see right now, you can compare it with the start. You're gonna find that there is a huge difference between these two. The first is flat, because all the values or all the size of the values are the same, like the dark area and the gray, the light, they are the same size. But here we give more attention to the head than any part of the body, and it's kinda big, because there is some styles that it's more realistic, so the size are like human or more realistic size, so the head can be smaller and stuff like that, or it can be stylized and do it how you want and how you like to see it. So right now I'm gonna do small exercises. I'm gonna play with different shapes, different designs, but with the same concept. You can do just 2 colors or 3 colors or 4, whatever you want, but this is just to understand the concept of it. Okay, so as you see right now, this is like another design. As you see, we always focus on the head more than anything, the head and the shoulders, but right now we don't have shoulders because this is just a test or just an exercise. So as you see, I want you to do something similar to this, just to make your eyes see that clearly, and to do that without even thinking about it, because with time you're gonna start doing this stuff without even thinking, and do a lot of effort to make it work. Okay, so I will let you with the video. Try to do some exercises like this. Again, focus on the head more and the shoulders. This is the most 2 important thing on this, is head and shoulders. Okay, so see you in the next lecture.